Welcome to Beat Technologies. In this tutorial we are going to see lazy loading, and in our Angular application how can we achieve lazy loading of modules. In last tutorial we saw routing and navigation. So what we did, we created three components. One is for about, one is for contact, and one is for home, and implemented routing to show those component into our main component. So let's see our code. See, this is our main module. Since in this folder you can see app, there is a app module, means this is a module, main module. Okay, inside this there is a main component, app component.html, .css, .spec.ts, component.ts. So these four files consist a component. This is our main component, and this is our main routing file. And inside this we have created 1, 2, 3, and inside core folder 3, means total 6 component we have created. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And inside main routing we have implemented path. We have given path to show these components. So this is the concept, but for large projects we divide our projects into sub modules. Okay, because in modules itself it is like a small project, one module. Their home module will be very big, not very big, it will be small. We keep it small because first it downloads, so we need to keep home page smaller so that it downloads easily. But other modules like view order details, so these small modules, they are very big. So what we do, instead of downloading all of the project once, we divide into separate smaller modules, and when user want to see, he will go to that module and see, otherwise it won't be downloaded. Let us run our project. npm, first I will clean this CLS. Okay, and I will start my application. npm start. This is single module, so this module will be downloaded. If you come to browser and here open, it has opened here, just refresh this. So go to inspect, and here network tab, click on JS, select JS. Okay, and then you just reload this. You see all of the code, project code has been downloaded. If you go to home, we are already on home. If you go to about us, see, nothing is downloading because our project is all of these components already downloaded, because these are part of main module. Since main module has downloaded, that's why all of its component has been downloaded. Once we are clicking, it is just showing. You can see nothing is downloading from server, everything is downloaded here once, because we have only one module. Inside this module we have components. Once this module will be downloaded, all of these components will be downloaded. So what we will do, we are going to make a small module for, like, this is a component. What I will do, I will make a module and move this component into about module. Contact page, for contact page also I will create a separate contact module, and I will move that component into that module. Like they are right now in main module, so I will create a separate module and move this component into that module. So just see how our structure will look like. This is our main module. Okay, this is our main module. What we will do, we will create separate module, sub module inside this. This is a sub module. This way we can create as many as we need. Okay, so this is submodule 1, submodule 2, submodule 3, submodule 4. And since this is a module, what we will do, we will route them lazy loaded. Okay, means when our main module will load, these submodules won't load. This won't load, this won't load, this won't load. They will be on server. What will be loaded? Only our home page component. What we will do, we will make home page component to the part of main module, so that when main module will be downloaded, home page will be downloaded, because when user will download, he will see home page. Home page will not be lazy loaded. Okay, home page will download once our application will start. Okay, that time it will be downloaded. And these sub modules, like about module, this is about module, this is contact. Okay, and this is some other. Okay, these modules will be remain on server. Once user will click on about button, that time it will be downloaded, otherwise it won't download. So what will happen in this way, our main module size will be smaller. Okay, it will separate. I'm just a graphical representation, I'm showing that this is part of main module. Okay, but what it will separate files, separate bundle will be there. So main module will be smaller bundle. Okay, it will be downloaded. You can see here, I'm opening another tag here showing this is our main module. Okay, main module, and this is our about module, and this is contact module. Okay, so suppose if our whole application size is 100 MB. Okay, 100 MB whole application size, and this is 20 MB, this is 20 MB, this is 20 MB, and this is 20 MB. Okay, and our main module size is also 20 MB, so total it is 100 MB. Since we had divided into modules, so these 80 modules will remain on server. 80 MB module JavaScript code files will be on server. Only 20 MB, which is our main module, this will be downloaded. And since this size is very small, so it will be downloaded very fast. Instead of downloading 100 MB, 20 MB is downloading will be much faster. Okay, I'm just giving a number, it can be different, it definitely it will be different. Okay, so what will happen, only our main module, which is 20 MB, will be downloaded. About module and this contact module, this will be on server. Okay, this won't download. Inside this, what we will keep, will home page or whatever components which are necessary, these we will download. Okay, these we will download so that user will see, and this will be on server. If user wants to see about component, he will click on about component. That time it will be downloaded. Where it will downloaded? Like this is our server, whole code will be on server. Okay, whole code, this is our server, and this is our laptop. Okay, and it will download first this one. When we will type localhost :4200 or any website URL, so it will download this one. Okay, so it will, user will see the home page. Once user on laptop, he will click on about button, that time about will be downloaded. Okay, once download, it will be there. If he want to see contact, he will click on contact here, request will go and it will download the contact module. Once it will download, it will be on user's laptop and he can navigate through. Next time it won't download. So in this case, that much project part will be loaded, that much user want to see, others will be on server. And this we can achieve using lazy loading in Angular. For this, what we'll do, we will build separate modules. So how to build modules, let's see. Just go to here in main module. Since all of the sub module will part of the main module, side main module, just open a terminal and here you type ng generate m for module. After that you have to give module name. So I am giving this about, and since like here our main module has routing, our main module has 4 files. Our main module has 4 files. What are the 4 files? Those are HTML, app component.html, app component.css, spec.ts and ts. These 4 files our main module has, and it has also have a routing file. This is our main routing file, app module. You can see here, this is our main routing file. These are main component. This is our module file, and it will have also here module file, app module. Okay, app module. So these 6 files it has by default. Okay, same way the sub module we will create, it will also have these not these, also it will have these 2 files we will create, and others we will create if we need. Okay, so it will also have 2 files. One is routing file and another is module file, like these two, module file and routing file, and other components we will create. So here for routing, what we will do, --routing, routing. What it will do, it will create a folder here with name about, and inside this it will create a routing file and a module file. So let's see. See, it has created 2 files. Where it has created? It has created a about here, about folder. Inside about folder, it has created a routing file and a module, this about module file. So this is a sub module. Okay, and what it will contain? It will contain all of the web HTML pages and data of the about module. Okay, so what we will do, since this about page right now it is part of main module, you see in main module it has entry here, about page. So what we will do, we will remove from here about from main module, and we will move to the about sub module. Okay, for this you just right click here and go to this folder, drag to about folder and leave here. It will ask confirmation, just say yes, move. So and this is update import for about. So no, we will update manually. Okay, since we have moved to the about component, you can see in about folder we have moved this component. Here we need to update in about.module. Since it is no longer part of about main module, what we will do, we will remove from main module. Just remove from here and here, and same entry what we'll do, we will make into its module. Now about page component is part of about module, so we will make its entry into here. Here see declaration is empty. Here what we will do, we will about about page component. Okay, we have make here, and we will remove from here. Okay, remove from here, main routing also remove. Okay, this routing no need to use, just for concept I have shown. In real applications, what we do, we will use lazy loading routing. Okay, so we have removed from here. Okay, and save this. Since see, you can see here this about page component, this is a component, this is part of our about module, so its entry should be its module declaration. So its entry is here, and we can use this about component into this module. Okay, same way we will do for contact. So just open here app. It is we are at this level app, because in main module we create some modules. Here just same command, and instead of about, type here contact contact and hyphen routing. So it has created a contact folder. Inside this it has created two files, routing and module, contact module. See, this is routing file and this is contact module. So what we have to do, this contact component, contact page component, we will move into contact module. So what we will do, we will just grab it and drag to this folder and leave it here. Give the confirmation, and no, update imports contact page, no. Okay, manually we will do. Since we have moved to the contact page, contact module, this component we have moved to contact module, so its entry will be in contact module. So we have to remove from main module. So come to main module and remove from here. Yes, yes. Since we have removed here, and we will make its entry into its module. So here is a declaration we give. So here we will give contact page component. Okay, so contact page component is part of contact module. Okay, saved here, and remove from here also. Control X and remove this one also. Okay, save this. Let's see, our project is running, and come here, browser, just refresh. You can see same, these files are coming. Okay, it is okay, because our main module is loading. Along with main module, our header is coming, this our home page component is coming, and this our footer coming. So once user will open our page first time, he will come, he will type your URL, and he will see your home page. Okay, so this you can see, this is other folder. Inside main module, this is your main component, this is part of main module, and this is this one home page component, this is also part of the main module, because you can see it's created here inside main module, and also we registered here. See, home page is part of main module. This file we have registered into its declaration, and this core, inside core, header, footer and page not found, these are also part of main module. And see, it has created here, and it has we have made a registry here. So this all code will be downloaded, what, header, footer and home page component, when we load our application, because first main module loads. Okay, and we can see here, if you click on about, see, about page won't work, it won't come, because about we have moved into this module, sub module. Okay, right now about page is inside sub module, and here contact page is inside contact sub module. So we have to make routing for these modules to load lazily. How to do? You have to come to your main routing file. This is our main routing file. So home page we want to download along with our main, so we will keep like this, no need to change this one. What we'll do, we will make a new entry for which, for our about module, to show the same path colon about. Once in browser there will be, their path will be about, that time this module will be loaded, about module. Okay, after that load children. Earlier we used load component, now we load children, because these sub module, they are part of main module. Then what we will give, we will give our module, child module. Okay, for this we have to write like this. After that import, what we have to import, our folder. Where is our about module? It is here in this folder. So we have to give into string. This is string. String symbol means we write in TypeScript, we write string like this, or double quote or single quote, both. Any string you have to write, you give write in single quote or double quote. So inside this, just give your folder name about. Inside this, which file? About.module.ts file. About folder, inside this about.module.ts, because this is our module file. So here we will write here about.module.ts file. Okay, this loaded. After that, then then, then inside then you have to write just m dot about module. See, about module has come, and just save this, and after that comma. Okay, and save this one, move this to here. Okay, so this way we load our sub module. Once the path will be changed into the browser, what it will do, it will load this module, it will send request to the server to load this module. Okay, if you won't click on about button, it won't download it. Okay, we have separated, we have make a sub module, it will be there. Okay, but since it is sub, it has separated. Okay, like main module, it is other module, but is a sub module of main module. Okay, and it has been excluded our main project. When it will be downloaded, when we will click on its button, when we will request for this. So we have saved this. Okay, so come to the browser, and you can see contact is there, page not found. When you click on about, see, nothing has come. And in browser you see, let me delete everything. First load our application. So see this, these files has been loaded. These are our main module. Okay, inside this header is there, and this is a home page component and footer component. These all three are loading. So I will download this. Once you click on about, see that time about module has been downloaded. Its JavaScript file has been downloaded. Okay, so this module is separate entity, and when it will download, when we will request. Okay, so nothing is showing here. About page has been downloaded, like when we downloaded about module, so about page has been also downloaded, everything, but it is not showing. What not showing? Because we haven't given this child module routing. So we have to mention here, when this module will be downloaded, it will see its child routing. Inside it will see the path. Since we haven't given any path, that's why it is not showing anything. What we will give? We will give a path, like we have given into main routing. Path colon empty means what I'm going to I want to say here, after about, if nothing is there, this is about, in path about is there, after about nothing is there, you show which component? About page component, about page component. Okay, and save this. Once you saved, you see about has come. Okay, so what is downloaded here? First, our main module, which is our main application, it is downloaded, and along with our this about module has been downloaded, but contact module is not downloaded yet. If you just click home, since home means main module will be downloaded, and our home page, whatever in main module, this will happen. Once you click on about and contact, these modules are there, these are there. Okay, see, about and contact module is there, but they haven't downloaded yet. When it will download? When we will request them. See, it has downloaded. Same way, what we will do, we will make routing for this contact module also, where we have, first we have to, in main module routing file, we have to give which module we have to load. So same we will copy paste this one, Control C, and go to here and paste. And change. This is for CONTACT, contact, and where we will get contact module, CONTACT, contact inside this contact module file. And which module? Contact module here, contact module. Okay, so once path will be contact, what it will do? It will download this contact module. Okay, this is lazy loaded. Okay, since when our contact module will be downloaded, we have to give in routing which part of this sub module will be shown. So we have to give here, same, create a entry path colon empty, and here you give component name. Which component? Colon contact page component. Okay, save this one also. You need to save all files. Go here, click on save all files have been saved, and our page compiled and running successfully. Okay, just see, you clicked on home page is showing here, but about and contact pages are not downloaded yet. You can see, right click on inspect and go to network, delete everything. Okay, once you click on about, that time about module has downloaded. Click on this, yes, see, contact module has come. I think about module, maybe it has downloaded earlier. Just reload again. Okay, I have reloaded again. See, our main module has been downloaded, main.js and everything. Clicked on about, that time see, about module has been downloaded and it is showing here. Click on contact, see, contact module has been downloaded. Okay, so this way we implement lazy loading in Angular. This way we organize our code into sub-modules. So that's all. Thank you for watching. See you in next tutorial.